Hey guys, it is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with a video that I was super excited to create because last night I had an idea for a new print on demand business for myself, and I was like going through the process of creating it, finding the name and thinking about what I want to sell. And I was like, I need to show my process. I need to show you guys how I go through the steps. So I'm going to kind of, last night I just brainstormed two different brands. We'll see which one is better, but I just wanted to kind of go through the motions with you guys of my thought process more so over the shoulder of how I go from idea to full brand. So, and I do have a video on my channel called Ideas to Action. I'm not showing my face today because I do not feel amazing. So I'm kind of in bed just recording this video for you guys. But I'm going to call this possibly how to start a print on demand brand or maybe validating an idea. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell because I do upload videos 3 times a week. So the first thing you want to do when trying to validate an idea or think of a brand, I thought of something that I like. So I like fuzzy socks, right? So I like fuzzy socks. Lots of people love fuzzy socks. And I looked up like maybe the fall colors for this year, and one of the fall colors is cadet blue. So with thinking of that, you have to kind of think of a name, right? So I'm like, what am I going to name it? Um, so when I think about fuzzy socks, I'm thinking of stuff like Fuzzy Wuzzy. So Fuzzy Wuzzy is taking. You could maybe say Fuzz, Fuzz socks. Let's see. So fuzzsocks.co is available, but fuzzsocks.com isn't. So another one could be Fuzzies, maybe fuzzies.com. It could be taken, fuzzies.co is taken. So let's say Fuzzies socks. So fuzzysocks.com is available. So the other one was cadet blue. So and it could be like I love cadet blue. And that's just for a whole bunch of people who love this color, right? So also this tells you why this is a great domain name. It says cadet and love are high value keywords with an average sale price of 2,000 and 1,000 if you wanted to sell this domain. Love and blue are widely used keywords as well. So now that we know that, I'm just going to go with building the I Love Cadet Blue brand. So what I want to do is quickly Google Cadet Blue hex code. So here is the hex code for Cadet Blue. Okay, let me go down so I can copy it. Well, I can't copy it. I'll just keep it up. So then I'm going to go to Canva. And you can do logos on Canva. So the second thing, once we find our name, we're gonna make a simple logo. And just say I love Cadet Blue. So let's find something super. I like this. So it's super simple. Like we ain't doing no extra stuff. It's super simple, and we're gonna do CB, and we're gonna write in here I love Cadet Blue. And then we're going to take this background. And remember, this logo is just to get you started. This is something that you can always change whenever you need to. So 5F9, 5F9 EAO. Ugh, 5F9 EAO. All right, so this is the Cadet Blue logo. Of course, you can always change the font, but we want simple because we're just starting out. So we have our logo. So we have the I Love Cadet Blue logo. All right. And you can download that or whatever you want. I'm just going to download that because that's what I would do. Okay. So we have our logo, right? We checked for the domain name because I found a name for it. I Love Cadet Blue is available. Okay. We got our logo. And then the next thing I do, I search for like Facebook groups because this really helps with figuring out if, people love the color blue. So let's put in blue lovers. Okay, so there's lots of people who love blue. So there's a group that says 1.2. There's blue lovers, blue lovers, blue lovers. So let's take it a step further and see if there is niche down as cadet blue lovers. But remember, if people love blue, they love all shades of blue. So right then that there are one, two, three, four, about four blue lover groups, we can niche down and create I Love Cadet Blue Facebook group or I Love Cadet Blue Facebook page. Because regardless, it's still the color blue, right? So, we are validated this idea. We can get the Facebook group up and running. And like I always say, if there's a few, there's room for more, and it's already some good brand awareness because there's people searching for this. There's people talking about this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Etsy. So I'm going to look for blue products. So we know there's blue products all over the place. So let's see if we can find cadet blue items. So we have some fabric, we have some masks, some threads, some beads, just little different things. So let's type in blue lovers. Okay, so there's other things that's blue. So now this is where things get tricky because you need to figure out where or what you're going to sell. Are all of the items in your store going to be blue? How are you going to figure that out? And with Cadet Blue, this is one fun thing that you can do. You can have different Cadet Blue prints of different things in your shop. Shirts. This is super cute. Things like this. All things blue. What else? You can do blue stickers. You can do I Love Cadet Blue shirts, mugs, so many buttons, so many things you can do with Cadet Blue. And then you can niche it down in your store. It's I Love Cadet Blue, but we have blue dogs, blue pumpkins, then make it Halloween, blue pumpkins, blue Christmas trees. And this is how your store will stand out from the next, right? So then I'm going to go over to Amazon and I'm going to find blue lovers shirt. So look, I'm nuts for you. That's so funny. That's a blue shirt. All of these blue shirts. Again, dog mom shirts, cat moms. You can have the whole I Love Cadet Blue and everything is in Cadet Blue. Your prints on a different blue shirt. Give me a second, guys. I have to drink. Okay. So I am going to type in Cadet Blue to see if anything comes up. And we just have, these little things. But these things, look, iPhone cases. Merch has iPhone cases, right? So you can create iPhone cases, pop sockets with merch, t-shirts, because merch has blue t-shirts, and you can make the actual design on the blue Heather blue t-shirts that merch has in Cadet Blue. Also, we're going to look for Cadet Blue journals. So you may not find KDP journals, But think about what you can do. You can do swirls with journals. So now we're going to just look up blue journals. So there's lots of different blue journals. You can do different themes with journals. Look at this. All of that can be in cadet blue. And all of this is a part of your brand. So once we validate that, we know that there's hella blue stuff on Amazon. There's lots of blue stuff that you can create on Etsy. And you can do that all via print on demand. Then you're going to start uploading. So I normally start with KDP. So we know we can upload some blue journals. There's some blue lovers out there who loves blue. Let's look up blue lover journals. Um, and also, it may not be completely ready, but we know that we can join those blue Facebook groups and start sharing stuff in those Facebook groups, right? We can start tagging and commenting. Look at all of this. Look at this. Let's see. They get 84 likes here, 19 shares, 6 comments, 28 shares, a whole blue room. You can make some blueprints to go in these rooms and share pictures like that on this wall. Look at this blue floral arrangement. It is possible. It may not seem like it right now because you don't see a lot of search results, but I guarantee you, try this with any color. And then, like I said, go away from the actual color. You're not going to do yellow. Do sunflower yellow because then you can add in sunflowers on everything, a whole ass sunflower shop. Sunflower things on leggings, on t-shirts, on pop sockets, phone cases, blankets. I love sunflowers, okay? So that's another idea. And this is how you go from one idea into building a whole brand. I always say if I can make a few sales on KDP and merch, then I can start to upload on other platforms and build the brand out. So there's nothing wrong with going ahead and securing the name on the accounts for all of these different brands and sites. Like, go ahead and sign up for an Etsy account because you don't have to, I don't think you immediately have to add anything and start selling, but you could go ahead and secure your Etsy name. You could go ahead and secure I Love Cadet Blue on Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic, Zazzle, Teespring, Threadless, Spreadshirt. All of these sites to start building your brand because right now you may not be sure that this is what you're going to do completely, but you do know that, Cadet Blue is going to be something eventually, and it might not pop off right away, but eventually it will. And when it does, you'll be ready because you don't want it to take off and you don't have anything secured anyplace else because then it's like, wow, I did all of this research, all of this work, and then someone took off with my idea, basically. So you don't never want that to happen. Sometimes it may not pop off for a year, but guess what? In a year, you had already secured all of these products, all of these sites, and all you have to do is upload. And you can actually be proactive if you have extra time. Upload some of the most popular things: shirts and journals, pens, cell phone cases, 3, maybe 5 items on each website. So when it's time, you can go ahead and hit publish. I know for a fact stickers are always going to sell, mugs are going to sell, and shirts are going to sell. So if you upload that one product on all of these websites and kind of let it go, do your SEO right the first time so people can find you, so the blue lovers can find you, because you need to be putting blue lovers, I love blue, I love Cadet Blue on every single thing for this shop so that you can make money. I may seem like I'm yelling at you guys, but this is how my brain works. People ask me all the time, how do you make money without a face? That's print on demand. It's almost Christmas season, and you're going to be buying stuff from people left and right without a face. You buy from Amazon people all the times, and you rely on reviews, and you rely on what you like. Those people are print on demand business owners. You don't know who they are. Anyone can make up a name to a site. I just made up I Love Cadet Blue. Now that's my business. I'm not going to go through with it, so it's any of you guys. But I created it. And if I didn't tell you guys about it and I went ahead and I just made this whole website and brand, I would have no face. And if you like blue and you like what I was selling, guess what? You would buy it. So this is the joy of print on demand. I have a whole thought process when it goes to creating a brand and building it. I validate the idea. I start to upload. I don't wait on anybody else. I always have ideas. Is my idea validated for enough for me to go and create this business? If it is, I am going to reach out and touch some faith and create that business. So I hope this video was super helpful just to give you some information on what my thought process is and how I continuously make money because I have a process to create new brands. Not everything that I do think of, I go through because in the end it may seem like maybe that wasn't a great idea. But if I can validate it and I become passionate about it and I can think of a million things to sell, I am on it, no lie. Okay. So I hope this helps you when starting your print on demand business, knowing that you don't have to be a face of your business and you can actually rely on a an audience who loves something, who is passionate, and they spend money to buy your product over and over again. You will always succeed in the print on demand business. So again, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.